Hi, I'm Faith.
I'm Sherry, and this is our ACER special project.
Today we're going to be showing you everything you need to know about how to use Excel in ACER.
So we want to start by first opening up Excel in your web browser. You can just do that by searching Excel and opening it up.
Once you have it open, the next step is just to organize. So taking a couple minutes at the beginning of the semester and organizing yourself will save you so much time in the future. So you're going to start by creating a blank workbook with this button here. And it's going to give you some generic name, and you're going to rename it to something that makes sense. So I would say ACER is fine name. And you can even share this with your lab partners so that you guys can all have your data in the same place.
Now you have a workbook for your class. You can create different sheets within the book to separate the data for each of your lab. So you see down here we have sheet 1. You can rename it to say lab A or whatever you need, and you can create additional tabs in order to separate each of your labs as well. So here you can rename lab A or whatever you need.